Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade. That engine that you see here guys, it has been used in both of these vehicles. If you have engine light on and code guys such as P2172, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes this thing. It could be up to 5 different things that can cause that code, and we're going to cover all that today. Now, you can see the engine is out. Why? Because we did an engine replacement, and while the engine was out, okay, we decided to make about 100 mechanical videos how to fix pretty much anything on it. So we already have about 100 mechanical videos. Now, we're in the process of making about 100 diagnostic videos, engine codes, and common problems. So we have guys videos pretty much how to take the whole engine apart and how to fix things. Why we do all that? Because guys, our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, many of you constantly ask me guys what scanner we use and all that stuff. We're going to cover that today. In addition guys, if you need any replacement parts or tools, we'll have guys the link shared in the description of the video below, so please check it out. The scanner that we really use here at the shop every day guys, it's that device right here. Now, it's amazing due to the fact that it works on all American cars. Check it out, here it's the US vehicles. It works on all European vehicles as well guys, pretty much all of them, and it works guys on all Asian cars. So this scanner is amazing, and I like it due to the fact that it's not too expensive and it can pay itself off in one-time use practically instead of going to the dealer. And second guys, you can read every computer in your car, delete codes, and you can actually see live data for every module in your car. Now, what guys causes that code P21 guys, P2172? Now, it could be like up to 5 different things. Now, number one, on the back side of your engine, you have guys, okay, on the back side where your oil cap is, come on the back side, you have one sensor right here, okay, that is known as a MAP sensor. This is manifold absolute pressure sensor. If that sensor is not working correctly or the wiring harness is disconnected, it can cause that code. And sometimes guys, it could be even a damaged wire. If somebody didn't install those retainers right here, your wire can get loose and get in the serpentine belt and it can be damaged. So make sure that you connect, okay, your wires to those holes, okay, so it doesn't go anywhere. This is number one guys. What about number two? I have everything pre-loosened here, but if you want to see specific repairs, all that is on the channel. We need to get to our throttle body, so I'll go ahead and remove the air duct right here. We'll get to the throttle body guys, and you may have a sticking throttle body plate. This is your plate guys. If your throttle body plate is dirty, it has carbon buildup, it can cause guys, okay, that plate to stick, and you can get that code P2172, which is very common as well. And we have a video on the channel that explains how to remove the throttle body and how to clean it, so please check it out guys. It can save you quite a bit of money. Now, number 3 guys, could be a bad throttle body, okay, itself. Number 4, check out the wiring harness. It's very common as well guys, to have a bad wiring harness or loose wiring harness, and that can cause this code as well. What about another reason guys? The other one, you just hope that you don't get the other one because it's a little bit hard to diagnose. It's called a vacuum leak. Now, any of you that don't know what vacuum leak is, it's extra air that the engine gets guys, but it doesn't know about that air. For instance, on Jeep Renegade, you will have a mass airflow sensor on the air filter box that will detect how much air goes to the engine. So, if the engine past that point gets some extra air to a loose hose, cracked hose, or a hose clamp, gasket, intake manifold gasket, throttle body gasket, cracked PCV hose that attaches to the intake manifold, cracked hose for the purge valve, or loose hose, that is known as vacuum leak guys, and the engine is getting some extra air. So that's very common. If you have a Jeep Compass, the amount of air pretty much will be calculated by the MAP sensor right here. So it could be most likely guys intake manifold gasket somewhere, so you need to check that one as well. And it could be guys any of these holes, pretty much anything past the throttle body. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.